All right, today we're going to be talking about how to clean out moldy and dirty water bottles. So here are the things you're going to need. You're going to need your dirty and moldy water bottles. I don't know how well you can see that, but this is the only one that's really moldy. The rest are just in need of a good cleaning. You're going to want some vinegar, some baking soda, optional spray bottle, scrub brush, maybe a butter knife, and a ramekin or two. So the first step is just the vinegar itself. You're gonna pour into a little bit into your bottle here. I also want to point out that all of these cleaning supplies I got at the 99-cent store, so it doesn't have to be super expensive. I think I spent a total of $4 here to clean these. So you have your vinegar in there, block it with your hand. You can also put the cap back on if you don't want to use your hand. You're gonna shake it really good for about 5 seconds to get the vinegar all over the place. You're gonna do that with every bottle, and once you've done that, you're gonna let them sit for about a half hour. This one just has some coffee on it. And this bottle I've already done earlier. Next, you're going to want to work on the caps. And so if they have a silicone thing like this, you can use your butter knife to kind of pry it out of there. So you'll want to pull all of those out. I just have 2 here. And that's what the ramekin's for. You're going to set them both in the ramekin here and let them soak in vinegar. I don't know that you have to do the full 30 minutes here, maybe just 15 minutes. And you don't need a spray bottle for this, but I like it so that I know I'm getting in every nook and cranny. The caps, you'll just want to spray some vinegar all around in there. Make sure you're getting in the nooks and crannies. And then this bottle of vinegar is honestly just a good household cleaning item to have on hand. Okay, so we've waited a half an hour, and the next step is going to be baking soda. So we have this extra ramekin here. Just going to pour a little bit in there. Decent amount. And then also going to put some water in there, just a little bit. So a little bit of water, a little nice baking soda water mix. You can kind of just coat your brush in that. You can add a little more. I want it more of a heavier, not watery consistency. There we go. Like a paste. You want a paste. Oh yeah, there we go, like that. And then we'll do one more good shake up on each bottle. Put it in. Stir around a little bit. Okay, and then this one is too small. So we're gonna just dump a little baking soda right in there. And shake it up again. You also want to make sure you scrub in the insides of the caps here. Probably soak these, rub these too in the baking soda, and you can just throw them back in the vinegar. Okay, then we're going to let those sit another 5 to 10 minutes. So once you've let everything sit, I like to rinse everything off with some boiling water. So we'll start with the gaskets. The lids. Okay. Alright. Kind of slowly but surely. And you're welcome to use this again. Maybe even rinse this off with some boiling water. This kind of helps get rid of the vinegary smell and rinse off the baking soda mixture and everything. Nice and clean. All the coffee's gone from the bottom of that one. There's a little bit of baking soda left though here. This one, most of the mold is gone out of the bottom. There is a little bit. I would definitely recommend getting a bottle brush that'll fit in this. I have found them at the 99-cent store before. This time I did not see it. And then reattach your gaskets and you're good to go. Okay, a little addition just because I wanted to show you that it actually is effective if you have a bottle brush. This isn't a bottle brush, but it is a brand new brush. It's meant for, it was in the 99-cent store for cleaning tires, but I think it'll work pretty well for cleaning the bottle. So I'm going to put a little baking soda on it, kind of rub it in, and stick it down in here. Really rub it. Remember, this has already been sitting with the vinegar. Oh yeah, almost there. Just a little more rubbing. Oh, and wants to come off here. There we go. And it is clean as a whistle in there. All the mold is gone. All right. So again, you'll want a bottle brush as opposed to just a regular brush, or at least a brush that can fit in every one of your bottles, especially if it's moldy.